Hey there, and welcome to this week's video. Today, we're talking about how to win friends and influence people, a classic self-help book by Dale Carnegie that has helped millions of people improve their relationships and achieve their goals. So, what's the secret to winning friends and influencing people? According to Carnegie, there are several key principles that can help you build strong, positive relationships with others. Show genuine interest in other people. One of the most important ways to win friends is to simply show an interest in them. Ask questions about their lives, listen to their answers, and show that you care about what they have to say. Showing genuine interest in other people is one of the most important ways to win friends and build strong, positive relationships. When you show an interest in someone, it means you take the time to ask questions about their lives, listen to their answers, and show that you care about what they have to say. This can be as simple as asking someone about their day or asking for their opinion on a topic. By showing an interest in others, you demonstrate that you value them as a person and that you care about their experiences and perspectives. This can help build trust and respect, and can lead to stronger and more meaningful relationships. It's important to note that showing genuine interest in others is different from just pretending to be interested. Genuine interest involves a sincere desire to learn more about the other person and their experiences. It requires active listening and a willingness to truly understand and empathize with their perspective. So, if you want to win friends and influence people, start by showing a genuine interest in them. Ask questions, listen to their answers, and show that you care about what they have to say. This simple act can go a long way in building strong and positive relationships. Practice good communication skills. Effective communication is key to building strong relationships. Make sure to listen actively, speak clearly and concisely, and be respectful of other people's views and opinions. Effective communication is crucial for building strong relationships and influencing others. Good communication involves several key elements, including active listening. Active listening means fully focusing on the person speaking and trying to understand their perspective. This involves paying attention to what they are saying, asking clarifying questions, and avoiding interrupting or getting sidetracked. Speaking clearly and concisely. When you are speaking, it's important to be clear and concise. This means organizing your thoughts beforehand and choosing your words carefully. Avoid rambling or going off on tangents, and try to get to the point as quickly as possible. Being respectful of others' views and opinions. It's important to respect other people's views and opinions, even if you don't agree with them. This means listening to what they have to say and trying to understand their perspective, rather than immediately dismissing or criticizing it. By practicing good communication skills, you can build stronger and more positive relationships with others. This can help you win friends and influence people, and can also help you achieve your goals more effectively. Remember, effective communication is a two-way street. It involves both listening and speaking effectively. Be positive and upbeat. People are more likely to want to be around others who are positive and upbeat. Make an effort to be optimistic and cheerful, and avoid complaining or being negative. Being positive and upbeat can be contagious and can help you win friends and influence people. When you are positive and upbeat, people are more likely to want to be around you and spend time with you. This is because positive energy is contagious and can be infectious, and being around positive people can often lift our own mood and make us feel better. To be positive and upbeat, try to focus on the good things in life and look for the silver lining in difficult situations. Avoid complaining or dwelling on negative thoughts, and try to stay optimistic and cheerful, even when things don't go as planned. It's important to note that being positive and upbeat doesn't mean you have to be overly optimistic or put on a fake smile all the time. It's okay to have negative feelings or experiences, and it's important to acknowledge and process them. However, it's also important to try to maintain a positive outlook and focus on the good things in life. By making an effort to be positive and upbeat, you can create a positive atmosphere and build strong, positive relationships with others. This can help you win friends and influence people, and can also help you achieve your goals more effectively. Be helpful and considerate. Helping others and showing consideration for their needs can go a long way in building strong relationships. Whether it's a small favor or a major act of kindness, making an effort to be helpful can make you more likable and influential. Being helpful and considerate can be a powerful way to win friends and influence people. When you help others and show consideration for their needs, it demonstrates that you care about them and value their well-being. This can help build trust and respect, and can lead to stronger and more meaningful relationships. It could be as simple as offering to help someone carry their groceries or offering a listening ear when they need to talk. Or it could be a bigger act of kindness, such as volunteering your time to help a charitable organization or offering to help someone with a task they are struggling with. Regardless of the size of the act, the key is to make an effort to be helpful and considerate. By being helpful and considerate, you can build strong, positive relationships and increase your likability and influence with others. Practice honesty and integrity. Being honest and acting with integrity are essential for building trust and respect in any relationship. Practicing honesty and integrity is essential for building trust and respect in any relationship. When you are honest and act with integrity, it demonstrates to others that you can be trusted and relied upon. This can help build strong, positive relationships and increase your likability and influence with others. This means being honest about your thoughts, feelings, and actions, and not attempting to deceive or mislead others. It also means following through on your promises and being reliable and dependable. It's important to note that honesty and integrity involve more than just telling the truth. It also means being authentic and genuine, and acting in a way that aligns with your values and beliefs. By practicing honesty and integrity, you can build strong, positive relationships and increase your influence with others. So, it is very important to be honest and have integrity in any relationship. So there you have it, a few key principles for winning friends and influencing people. By following these tips, you can build strong, positive relationships with others and achieve your goals. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and advice.